What a heat wave we're having, guys. Behind me, we have the bed, and I'll show you around what I got done so far. I'm sure you've seen in the little time lapses, but let's show you. So, cut off the old light box bars, brackets, whatever you want to call them. These are the new light bracket setups. They're just sort of on there with the pipe clamp. But as you can see, I think it'll look really cool when it's all said and done. We got his name in the back and then our names up top. Probably going to backplate that with red lettering maybe, depending on what he wants, or just brushed aluminum or something like that. So it'll give it some contrast against the dark gray metallic. We got the fenders all situated, tacked on, and those are looking really good. And then we got to take this off, get this all figured out with the new bracket. If I'm going to just drill out a hole there and then sort of move this back about a 1/4 inch or so we can make a bracket right here. We can just put that on, set it right down, and it can get bolted on and it's good to go. Want to do everything while it's in here. I disconnected the battery so we don't have any of that problem with, the new trucks and all that stuff. We leave in the ICC bars and obviously the whole back plate, but just so you can see how sort of everything is, I think it'll look really cool. Once the diamond plate's on top and we got the rest of the lights through there, I think it'll really come together and look good. Debating on what we're doing for the outside. I might do a 2-inch piece all the way around, or I might do the radius of the wheel on the inside and then just, cover that up. It all depends on what he wants to do. I'm going to send him a picture of this so he can sort of see the gist of everything and how it looks. I ran out of wire, unfortunately, so that's why this is as far as I sort of went. I'm going to go and run up in the morning, pick up some wire. Alright guys, so we ground off the light boxes, got them all nice and clean, and radius put on them, tacked them up where they needed to be, cut out the plates for the mounting brackets. I'm actually only going to put this on there. We got 4 in the front, and then we have this bracket which will hold the whole back end, and then we got this sort of bracket that I set up, took this off that old one that was holding the gas filler neck. And I used one hole there, and then I used the big 5/8 hole right there. Got that all set. Everything else is pretty much done at the point of like where we can take this off now. So I just got to take the bolts out, and then we can pull this out, get it on the forklift, pull it back in, and set it up so we can fully weld everything out. And then we got to drill some holes for the light box so we can run the lights through there, as well as finish welding the inside. We have the outside pieces for the fenders that we just cut, and all of the strap brackets. You can see we're getting stuff done. It might not look like it, but a lot of work just to get those boxes welded out and ground clean and everything. I spent a lot of time on that. It's a lot of tedious stuff right there, but we don't really have that much. It's just a lot of welding and tedious work and gusseting and everything. We made gussets for the fenders as well, just to stiffen them up, and we're going to fully weld everything out as soon as this is off. I just don't want to weld too much on the truck while it's here, while it's in here on the truck, because there's always a risk of something happening with the computers and stuff like that, and the technology. There's just too much electronics in this, and you don't want to fry a brain in these. But other than that, we're going to pull this out, take this off, and then I'll be back.